There are two terms in this, habitat and niche. What is the difference between these two terms? Habitat can be a subsystem of a biome. Depending on the local variation in the climate and other factors, different habitats will be there. We can say that tree is an example of a habitat because it will provide shelter for many organisms. Birds, insects, or reptiles like snakes can make a tree as their habitat. And this niche denotes the functional role of an organism. What the organism is doing in that particular habitat. That is, its activities and responses. So what are they doing in a habitat and how will they respond to the different environmental factors? For example, if we can take habitat as an address, we can tell where the organism is living. And this niche will be their profession. So it is the difference. And different organisms can share the same habitat. But different organisms cannot have the same niche because there will be competition between them for the niche. That means the niche is unique. How this niche becomes unique? Because the functional role of the organism is determined by its food needs and determined by its shelter needs. So this is essential for the survival, right? And competition with other species. This also determines survival and its reproductive needs. And it wants to stay healthy. So it needs a certain type of climate or certain type of topography. Like that, specific needs will be there for an organism for its healthy existence. And these needs creates a unique space for the organism. For example, if two organisms are having same food needs, same shelter needs, there will be a competition between them. The competition will be such that only one organism can survive in that particular area. It will replace the other. So the other organisms have to go to other habitat or they have to simply extend. They will become simply extended. But if different species are there in different geographical location with the same set of conditions, there will not be any competition. They are called ecological equivalence. For example, a particular type of bird will be feeding on a tree in India, but another type of bird will be feeding on a tree in America. But both are different species, but they can be having same kind of food. They will be eating the same nuts. They will be having the same type of nuts. But they are different species and they are called ecological equivalence. But if they are in the same habitat in India, they cannot survive. Only one can survive. And this is the difference between the habitat and a niche.
For engineering services general studies video lectures, visit www.iesgeneralstudies.com. For mechanical engineering video lectures and question and answer discussion, visit www.getnet.com.